guys, this is Everything HD. Today we're going to be reviewing the Red Dragon Fizz mechanical keyboard. The keyboard comes with extra switches, a keycap and switch puller, and a sticker sheet. The keyboard is a 60% keyboard, but the best part is the lighting. You have to press Function and Alt to change the lighting. So, go from this still lighting to blinking to all cool colors to when you press it, the entire line lights up, or to this wavering pattern. There are so many different lighting options for you to choose. This keyboard has red switches, so it sounds like this.